So what we're looking at here is this idea of fractional powers or fractional indices. We touched on it yesterday briefly, where we looked at anything to the power of a fraction becomes that root. So if we've got a to the power of 1 on m, that ends up being the mth root of a. Likewise, if we had something on top of the fraction there, this becomes the mth root of a to the power of n. So whatever we've got here becomes our power, and whatever we've got here is our root. So that's what we're doing. Then, as well as being able, and we've got to be able to work vice versa. So if you're given one of these, you're supposed to be able to go back to that. If you're given one of these, you're supposed to be able to work back to that. Now, so you need to be able to apply all the different rules like we've learnt so far. So this is one we've got here. So we've got 27, a to the power of 6, b to the power of 5, c to the power of negative 9, all to the power of a third. So with this, what we're doing is we are applying this third to all of these different values here. And in doing so, what we're going to do is we've got to multiply. So we'll have, so remember this is 27 to the power of 1, so we'll put 27 to the power of 1 times a third, which is a third. A to the power of 6 times a third. B to the power of 5 over 3, or 5 times a third. And C to the power of negative 9 times 1 over 3. So from there, 27, so the cube root, I'm going to write it over here, 27, the cube root of 27 is 3. So this becomes 3. Then we've got 6, a to the power of 6 over 3, which is a to the power of 2, b to the power of 5 over 3, and then we've got this negative 9 times a third. Now we know negative 9 times a third is negative 3. So we've got one more step, and that is we'll make this 3a squared b 5 over 3 over c to the power of 3, because of the fact that it's a negative power, so that means that our value has to go onto the bottom. So that's what we need to be able to do for exercise 3i. It's that, it will get more complicated, there will be more going on than just that, but that's what you need to be able to do.